The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. But there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, but before I get started, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Now the first video I'm going to present to you. This video is about an incident where it is said that a man defecated in a mop bucket that was being used by a city worker somewhere within the United States of America. Yeah, this video had been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as United States of America. I do not know when the video had been recorded. And I'm going to tell you from right now that this video shows some things that might disgust and shock some of you, my viewers and subscribers. This video shows some of the things that happened during the incident where it is said that a man defecated in a mop bucket that was being used by a city worker somewhere within the United States of America. The city worker tried to stop the man from what he was doing, but the man got up from off the mop bucket and grabbed the mop or mop stick from the city worker and threw it on the ground and then continued to do whatsoever he was doing. All of that happened in the public somewhere within the United States of America. Viewers and subscribers, this video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you, so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about this video as well. Alright? Now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Oh God!
Jano, my people, me look at the video and I don't know how to feel. I want to laugh and I feel sad at the same time. May I tell you, because what the man do, he's not supposed to do that, none at all. See, it's not right. He's not supposed to do something like that. But the video shows an expression on the man's face. It's like a sigh of relief. Like the man go, ah. May I tell you people, Jano. It's rough. Some people on social media assumed that the man is homeless. I can't confirm that. But anyways, let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers, alright? I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, now the next video I'm going to present to you. This video will be recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana. I do not know when the video will be recorded. This video shows some things that happened between a man and the police officers from within the country of Guyana when police officers went to a business place to arrest the man. The way all those police officers went into that business place to arrest the man is being talked about on social media. Yeah, the whole approach and other things is being talked about on social media. The video shows those police officers trying to arrest the man, and the man was somewhat resisting arrest. I do not have any confirmed information as to why those police officers was trying to arrest the man, but the video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I am presenting the video to you, so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about this video as well. Alright? Now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
This guy go on camera wild. I'm sick of walking back. We sick of walking back in the back. Remove your hand. Remove your hand. You're lucky, you know. Man, walk here right there. Yeah, do George. Yeah, the man said tell them wait. Yeah, do just now, G. Way back. Officer. Catch your face good, officer. Get your face good. Take out the mask and catch your face good. Take out the mask and catch your face good there. Officer, what your name? So you catch your badge go to the rest man. You're running the bakery just so. Just so they run in my workplace and snatch this man carry you out. Yeah, how about you? To these two officers them. Just running Federal Bakery. No sanitizer, nothing. Just running people bakery just so. Sorry. Knocking him on there.
What this man knocking me, boy?
Come on, calm down. I run tell us how them workplace and snatch them out of the workplace.
We are killing for kill me now. We are killing me, boy. You can't walk me the station just without. How many man I have?
Look at you choking, man. Look at the officer choking on there.
That's the man. We are doing it.
Calm down.
We are doing it. My nose here. We are
Yeah, that's the after we do.
Sir, listen. This man knocking me.
Supervisor will go with you. That's the man. The supervisor go with you. Calm down. Calm down, buddy. I can't fully calm. No legal line.
This man.
No, the
Supervisor coming out. Alright, sir.
calm down. That's the man. Look at you.
Let's drive over here. Let's go here. 3 councillors there, right? First, on
This here, boy.
this street here. Rastaman? We're going straight across.
That's the man. Calm down.
Here's right here.
This man laying on me, you know.
Calm down. Let us talk.
Over to the gas station. Come out. Come out through the one way. Start right again. Almost road into a car on the radio.
This man laying on me, you know.
Calm down, the man.
What is this man laying on me?
Calm down. Let him talk, buddy. Calm down. Let him talk.
That's the reason.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I don't know how many times I'm going to have to say this, but I've said this before in previous videos. And I get the understanding that some persons disagreed with the things that I said. But I think it is best to comply with the police. And if you have a complaint to make, you make your complaint to the necessary authority or authorities. You see? Because resisting arrest is only going to get you into more trouble. You see? Yeah, I know it can be frustrating if you're innocent, and I know that it can be embarrassing if you're innocent as well. So I say, but at the same time, it's best to comply. See? Alright, that's why I'm going to leave that in the viewers and subscribers. I did not get much information about that video or the incident, but the video has been talked about on social media. I presented the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself and you can let me know what you think. Alright, now I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she explained in her own words what are the roles of grandparents. The female was talking to at least one person who you can hear in the background of this video, viewers and subscribers, and I want you to listen to the things that this female said and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that she said. Alright? Some harsh languages have been used in this video, so some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
The new generation, y'all millenniums, y'all got it all fucked up. The reason why is because because I became a grandparent does not automatically make me the babysitter or a daycare. Grandparents, true grandparents, they're supposed to raise their children right to where when y'all start having kids, y'all can financially provide for your own children and secure their daycare so you can go to work, so you can go out, so you can do anything else. Grandparents.
See, let me tell you where you got it wrong.
No. True grandparents are supposed to be able to call for their grandkids. Y'all supposed to come over here. No, that's for the daddies. That's for the daddies. When the daddies ain't in the home, that's where they go for the daddies.
Oh, bummer.
They go to their daddies for the summer because y'all got a split custody. That's how y'all got it fucked up. Grandparents are supposed to be able to come to your house and stay with you and visit with their grandkids. You're supposed to be able to drop your kids off when your grandparents call for them and in their leisure time. Grandparents are not supposed to be daycares. Everybody's time is valuable. We have our own life. We work very hard to get everybody out of the house. Why would we want to raise your kids and keep your kids? That's out of order. But black people, the black culture is so dysfunctional. That's why y'all think that grandparents is supposed to be keeping kids and raising kids. It don't go that way. Y'all got it messed up.
So they not going to stop hydrating?
And guess what? Yes, stuff like that's a portion. I'm supposed to be able to say, yo, on the 27th, I booked for me and my grandkids. Everybody going. Whoever ain't going, I don't need y'all money. I don't need y'all nothing. I don't need nothing. I just need my grandkids.
Right.
That's what we're supposed to do.
So we can't just drop them off when we want to.
No, it don't supposed to be dropping them off when you want to.
Like, here go your grandkids.
No.
See.
No. It don't go like that. You know why? Because we already had our lives with raising kids. We don't supposed to be tied down raising fucking kids. We supposed to be gardening, going to the senior citizens place, bingo, and all that other fucking shit. That's what we raised y'all for, to be able to take care of y'all kids. We didn't send y'all out. When y'all did go, where y'all go? The summers. And where did y'all go? To y'all other people. Your daddy people. If the daddy is not in the home, he's supposed to do the summers. Y'all supposed to rotate holidays. What the fuck? Y'all, but see what it is? Y'all think that we supposed to do that because y'all got a sense of entitlement. Y'all think just because I'm the mom, I'm the grandma, that you're supposed to push your kids off on me. That's not how it go. But it takes strong mothers like me to let you know the shit don't go like that. To get it right. Other than that, I'll be sitting here rocking all y'all goddamn kids and y'all doing this, doing that. No. No. Trust and believe. They will be in the system. They will be at the shelter. They will be wherever they need to be because you didn't do what the fuck you were supposed to do as a parent. It had nothing to do with me.
You wouldn't.
I most definitely fucking would.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I cannot disagree with the things that the female said because each and everyone want to live them life their way. See me? It's not the first time me hear a grandparent say, oh, I raised my pitney them already. Now a time for me for relax. See? So, them for play for them role now and them for do their job. See? But you have some grandparents still, you know. Them no mind taking care of a grandchild or their grandchildren, you know. Yeah, man, you have some grandparents that love them, man. Them won't even mind if the grandchild or grandchildren would stay around them 24/7 all the time. Yeah, you have some people like that. Trust me. You see? But like I said, you know, I cannot disagree with the things that she said because, you know, it's her life. She decide what she wants to do. I just saw it go. You see me I say? Anyways, my people, yeah, so I'm gonna leave it, you know. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.